So 2 of the ribs were broken, presumably during the butchering process or the harvest process after the whale was brought on shore. So they needed to be fixed, and the best way to do that is to hide an internal steel rod inside the rib. So for one of the ribs, the one pictured here, we were able to bend the rod so that it would match the curvature of the rib, and then we were able to bore a hole into each half of the broken rib. Then cover the steel rod with epoxy and filled the holes with epoxy, slide the 2 bits together along the steel rod, and it takes a couple tries, but we can get a really good matchup, and then the epoxy and the steel hold the structure firmly. So after we've got it structurally sound, we're going to leave the marks left by the butchering process. So we aren't going to cover up the wounds, so to speak, except to mask the steel with some colored clay. So every break is unique, of course, and has to be dealt with in a sort of custom fashion. The other rib that we're fixing will require a steel splint to hold the 2 pieces together, because the damage is too great to embed a steel rod inside.